What if I told you Vivo is about to drop one of the most expensive Android flagships ever? And it's not even official yet. A new online retail listing has just leaked the European pricing for the Vivo X300 Ultra, and it's turning heads for one big reason. The top-end 16GB RAM and 1TB storage variant is listed at a massive €1,999. Yeah, that's firmly in ultra-premium territory, going head-to-head with the most expensive flagships on the market. But that's not all. Alongside the phone, Vivo seems to be going all in on mobile filmmaking. The listing also reveals the Vivo SmallRig Pro Video Rig Kit, priced at €415.83. This isn't just an accessory. It's a clear signal that Vivo wants the X300 Ultra to be taken seriously as a professional video tool, not just a smartphone. Think about it. A near €2,000 phone paired with a dedicated pro-grade rig. Vivo is positioning this device as something far beyond everyday use. This is aimed at creators, filmmakers, and anyone who wants DSLR-level control in their pocket. And the timing couldn't be more interesting. The Vivo X300 Ultra is officially scheduled to launch in China on March 30th, 2026, and it won't be alone. Vivo will also unveil the Vivo X300S and the Vivo Pad 6 Pro, making this a full ecosystem launch rather than just a single device drop. Now here's where things get even more exciting. If this pricing leak is accurate, it strongly suggests that Vivo is confident about the X300 Ultra's hardware, especially its camera system. We're likely looking at cutting-edge sensors, advanced optics, and serious video capabilities that justify both the price and that professional rig. But the big question is, can Vivo actually convince users to spend €1,999 on a smartphone? It's not just about specs anymore. It's about delivering a complete experience that rivals dedicated cameras and flagship phones all in one. And if Vivo pulls this off, the X300 Ultra might not just be another flagship, it could redefine what a smartphone is capable of. March 30th is right around the corner, and when Vivo finally unveils everything, we'll find out if this is true innovation or just a very expensive gamble. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.